Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to share with you some useful items that you can use whenever you are doing a room makeover. So y'all know we have done a lot of makeovers on this channel, and we understand that it can be quite frustrating sometimes when things don't go quite right or you just don't have the proper tools for the job. So I have put together a list of 5 useful items / tools that I feel will be helpful whenever you're doing a room makeover. So one of the first items that I'm going to talk about is high strength small hole repair all-in-one applicator tool. Y'all, this is so convenient because most of the times you have to get spackling, a spatula, and then sandpaper. This thing is so awesome because it is all in one. This product comes with your drywall spackling inside, a spatula / putty knife on the end, and sanding paper on the other side. So the first thing that you're gonna do is fill your hole with the spackling, then you're gonna smooth it out with the putty knife side, and then once that dries, you're just gonna take your sandpaper on the other end and sand it on down. And now with all one tool in hand, you have successfully covered the holes in your walls. So the next tool that I'm gonna talk about is called Hang It Perfect. Hang It Perfect is basically a picture hanger where you can hang it evenly and perfectly one time without having all of those holes in your walls. So this can be used for picture frames, for mirrors, shelving, flat screen TVs, towel racks, whatever you need to hang on the wall, the Hang It Perfect comes in handy. So the first thing that you're gonna do is align your hardware with the hooks on the back of your picture frame or whatever it is that you're hanging. You're then going to take it off and then put it up against the wall where you want it to go, and they have a nice little level right there in the middle so you can make sure that it is level. Then you're just going to simply mark it by pushing in the 2 tabs on the bottom. Those are going to create 2 holes in the wall, and now you'll be able to screw in your screws and then hang your picture or whatever it is that you're hanging. So y'all, this thing comes in handy so much because, like I said, you will not have all these additional holes in your wall. I am guilty of that. And I really got this item because the thing I find hardest to hang are the D-hooks, which I just showed you in the little clip that I put in. That can get really frustrating trying to get the exact measurement, the spacing correctly, trying to make sure that they are level. Those are the worst to hang. So this takes care of all that. You can also take one side off if you only have if you don't have the D-hooks and you only have one hook to hang in the center. You can use it for that as well. So this tool is extremely helpful. So the next couple of items I'm going to talk to you about are not necessarily tools, but they are things that you can use to help you better finish off a room and make it look really good. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about are the rug grippers. Most of the time when we finish up a makeover, sometimes this can be forgotten, especially when you have a rug like I put in Antonio's man cave. So we have a rug sitting on top of a rug and it just slides around all the time. So with these grippers, they are 2-sided. So one side goes on the bottom of your rug and one side either to your carpet or, in my case, the other rug. And they are Velcro, so they actually bond together. So this is something that tends to be forgotten whenever doing makeovers, just one of those last little finishing touches. We don't want our rugs sliding or moving around all the time, so these rug grippers really do come in handy. All right, so the next helpful item is called Sleek Socket. If you are anything like me, cords aggravate you. Whenever I finish making over a room, I am not trying to have cords be seen or sprawled all over the floor. It just looks undone, tacky to me. So Sleek Socket comes in super handy. So with this item, you are able to plug the socket cap into a plug, and it comes with an extension cord where you can run it down and tuck it behind an item to hide those cords. So in addition to that, it also comes with clips and 3M tape to where you're able to actually tape it into place. So y'all know me, I'm a little extra. Once you do this, you can leave it like this. However, this item is also paintable, which is what I'll be doing. I will be painting the white part black all the way down to the baseboard, and then just let the white blend into the baseboard, so then that way it actually looks even more seamless. All right, so the last item that I want to talk about is a new item that I found and I'm most excited about. This is a rechargeable light bulb. Now let me tell you why this comes in so handy. So sometimes when you are doing makeovers, you may need a light where there is not an outlet, or you do not want to run wiring. Maybe you don't know how to run wiring. So this is perfect for DIYers that are not electricians or that are not comfortable dealing with electrical outlets and things like that. So one of the most common places that I see that people want to put lights where there may not be an outlet is on a sofa table. If your sofa is in the middle of the room, then the sofa table is pretty much going to be in the middle of the room also. And then a lot of homes just do not come with outlets on the floor. So this rechargeable light bulb is perfect for that. So you can put your lamp on the sofa table, tuck away your wiring, and then use the rechargeable light bulb to hang inside of the lamp, and now you have light wherever you need it. So I really like this because it comes with different settings. You can dim it if you want. It's also perfect to be used during power outages, hurricanes, emergency backup lighting. Is perfect for all of those situations. And then my main thing is this one actually comes with a remote as well. So if you're using it for decorative purposes like myself, then you just take your remote control and you can flip it easily on or off. All right, so those are my helpful items whenever you are doing a room makeover. I hope that you saw something on this list that could help you in your next room makeover. Be sure to check the description box because all of the products will be linked there. And if you have any questions about any of them, then be sure to leave them in the comment section as well. Also, if you got any value out of this video, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you on the next one.